To set up Do Not Disturb mode in Motorola Signature, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. We can then scroll down to the modes right here, and then you can click on Do Not Disturb mode. Now we can turn it on or off right here with this switch, and then we can adjust all of the settings below, starting with notifications filters. So those three options allows you to select which things will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode and basically work like the Do Not Disturb mode would be disabled. So we can select people, and then there's messages and calls. Pick whichever one you like and select which contact types will be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. So you can select whichever options you like or none of them. Then there's the calls, and it's the same thing, only exception is allow repeated callers. That means when it's enabled, if somebody tries to call you multiple times, then in the 15-minute period, if somebody tries that, then the second call will go through. Sorry for that. Then when we have people selected, we can go to the apps. Here you'll be able to select which apps can also bypass Do Not Disturb mode. Just add whichever ones you like. Next thing is alarm and other interruptions. You can activate or deactivate alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, or calendar events. Then there's more settings. We can adjust the display settings for filtered notifications. Right here there's plenty of options, like when the screen is turned off, you can don't turn on screen when notifications is received. Don't wait for notifications as well. Hide notification dots on app icons. Hide status bar icons at the top of the screen. Don't pop notifications on screen, and hide pull down shade. Then there's the grayscale. When activated, your screen will go into black and white colors, or actually not colors. Then keep the screen dark, which will disable always on display. Enable dark mode, switch the device theme. This will change basically from light mode to dark mode when you enter Do Not Disturb mode. And lastly, we have duration for quick settings. So if you open enable your Do Not Disturb mode from quick settings that are right here, then it will always ask you what you want to do. Enable it until you turn it off manually, select it for 1 hour, or ask every time. So that is all of the options right here for Do Not Disturb mode. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.